हेलो गाइस, वेलकम टू माय चैनल। माय नेम इज़ खुशी वर्मा एंड आज हम पढ़ेंगे अकाउंटेंसी क्लास 11th का सेकेंड चैप्टर जिसका नाम है बेसिक अकाउंटिंग टर्म्स। सो लेट्स बिगिन विथ आवर फर्स्ट टॉपिक ऑफ बेसिक अकाउंटिंग टर्म्स। द फर्स्ट बेसिक अकाउंटिंग टर्म इज कैपिटल. Capital is the amount invested by the owner in the firm. It may be brought in the form of cash or asset by the owner. For example, A is the owner of the business and he invested 10,000 rupees in cash for the firm. This amount was known as capital. Now, let's move on to our new topic of basic accounting terms that are assets. Assets are the economic resources of an enterprise useful in its operations. Assets can be classified into two types. First is fixed asset and another one is current assets. Fixed assets are what? Fixed assets are those assets used for normal operations and held on a long-term basis, such as land, building, machinery, plant, furniture and fixtures, etc. Current assets are those assets which are held for short term and converted into cash within 1 year, such as data, stock, etc. In other words, we can say that assets are the properties of the business. Now, let's move on to our next topic of basic accounting terms, that are liabilities. Liabilities are the obligations or debt that an enterprise has to pay at some time in future. Liabilities can be classified as long term liability and short term liability. What is long term liability? Now we will discuss about the long term liability. Long term liability are those liabilities which are usually payable after a period of 1 year or one accounting year. For example, a long term loan from a financial institution is a long term liability. Now let's move on to the short term liability. Short term liabilities are the obligation that are payable within a period of 1 year. For example, creditors, bill payable, bank overdraft, etc. In other words, we can say that liabilities are the amount which is owned by the business. Let's get ahead with our next topic, that is sales. Sales are the total revenues from goods sold or services provided to the customers. Sales may be cash sales and credit sales. Cash sales are those sales which is made in terms of cash, and credit sales are those sales which is made in terms of credit. Credit in Hindi means udhari. Next topic is revenues. Revenue means the income from any source. It should be of regular nature. For example, sales of goods, providing services to consumer, commission, interest, dividend, etc. We can also say that revenue is the income that is generated at regular interval. Now, let's move to our next topic, expenses. Expenses is what? Basically, it is the cost incurred by a business for earning revenue are known as expenses. For example, rent, wages, salaries, interest, etc. Next term is transaction, an economic activity that affect financial position of the business and can be measured in terms of money. For example, sales of goods, paying for expenses, etc. Next topic is voucher. The documentary evidence in support of a transaction is known as voucher. For example, if we buy goods for cash, we get cash memo. If we buy goods on credit, we get an invoice. When we make a payment, we get a receipt and so on. Next is expenditure. Spending money or incurring a liability for acquiring a set, goods or services is called expenditure. Expenditure is classified as revenue expenditure and capital expenditure. Now let's discuss what is revenue expenditure. If the benefit of expenditure is received within a year, it is called revenue expenditure. For example, rent, interest, etc. Capital expenditure, if any expenditure lasts for more than 1 year, it is treated as capital expenditure, such as purchase of machinery, furniture, etc. Next is profit. The excess of revenue over its expenses during an accounting year is profit. Profit is equal to revenue minus expenses. Next topic is gain, a non recurring profit from events or transactions incidental to business, such as sales of fixed asset, appreciation in the value of asset, etc. Please avoid the background sound coming from my background, and if you like the video, press the like button and subscribe my channel. Thank you.